YouTube channel, day 55. Today is the 25th of October, and we are discussing the events for 24 October 2022. Day 55 started out with exercise, 45 minutes. That included 4-minute jog and mostly walking. Then I took my daughter to school. Then I went to the gym. Then I had insurance training. For the ACA, because ACA season is about to start. Then I worked some with the book business. Then me and my wife met up at the library here in our local town, and I did early voting for 2022, election 2022. We did the very first day of early voting, so that goes on for 10 days, but you know, something you want to take care of sooner rather than later. We don't want to wait till the last day because something might happen. We want to make sure that we tabulate our votes early. Whatever they say, go early and vote often as you're legally allowed to. So we both voted, and then there was a mix-up with the videos. I worked on those videos, and then I had Remote Wellness Academy. I did some work and watched some videos on Remote Wellness Academy. So that was basically it. With Remote Wellness Academy, moving into Module 4, I still have some activities in Module 3 to complete. They span over a couple of days. So I'm already working in Module 4, but there are still some activities in Module 3 that I am working on. So that was basically it for day 55. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you again soon.